Hi everyone, my name is Cindy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, so glad you stopped by. If you are a subscriber, so happy you came back. You're special to me. If you haven't joined the family, please make sure you subscribe today. I am going to show you a minimal fireplace mantel vignette. Of course, you always start with a clean slate, and this fireplace is minimal and modern. I have a large canvas that graces the wall, and all I did was just put a black foam board in the middle to kind of ground the vignette, so no one knows that's a secret. I often change it to add other artwork in the middle, and it can be any kind. A lot of it is what I have done myself, and it's usually on the modern side. I put a flower vase that I made out of chipboard covered with white pearls on the right side. Then I put pink cherry blossoms that are inserted into the vase that are very long, and it just gives some height to the vignette. I just love the pink. It adds so much on the romantic side. Next are books that I showed the front side instead of the back side. And so what I did, I just took the cover of the books, and these books were free, and I take them and I reverse the cover. And as you probably know, most of the covers on the opposite side are white. So I just reverse it so they're all the same. But however, you can take paper of any kind and make a book cover. To keep the books together, I put some bookends that I previously made as a dupe from Paragold. They are made with Dollar Tree ceramic balls, tops from candle containers, and plastic tops from Dollar Tree. I think they're like plastic wine glasses or plastic goblets. You can see how all of this is made from my previous DIYs. And lastly, there are two heights of candle holders that are also made from Dollar Tree supplies. They had some bowls that looked like marble, and I flipped it over and I added the bottoms of the plastic wine goblets and connectors from the plumbing department on the first one. On the second one, I've put one on top of the other, and then I needed to put the connectors on something, so I filled that one with plaster of Paris. And it looks high-end and beautiful. Now, Cozy Corner is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Tablescapes by Candy. The co-hosts are Design with Emma, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Debbie Bubbles, Annalise Cupboard, and me, Z9 Designs. Please subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channels, and use the hashtag CozyCorner24. Finally, I flanked the bottom of the fireplace with my collection of lanterns. Now, if you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe to my channel and join in the fun. And follow me on social media, Instagram, Threads, and TikTok for now. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate all of you. And remember, joy is a vitamin for the soul. You should have a little every day. And this is from goodwith1o.com. See you later. Bye-bye.